Engineering here with a short video about the EQ52 500 series audio equalizer. Periodically, we'll post some applications type info with settings for specific situations, and here we'll show some info about using the EQ52 equalizer to change the sound of a guitar track to either bring it out and forward in the mix, or conversely to push it a little bit further back in the mix, similar to the differences between playing with a pick or using your fingers. It's deceptively simple, but using the EQ52 seesaw filter, also called a tilt filter, you can pretty effectively move a guitar sound forward and backwards in the mix. The EQ52 is unique in that the seesaw filter pivot frequency is continuously variable over virtually the entire audio spectrum. This kind of thing is available in the box, but it's in the box with that whole paradigm. The EQ52 is a analog channel of real filtering with a good treatment of the phase and the amplitude response out to frequencies that can't be covered in the box. So let's get to it. For this first of two videos, we'll show you how to bring out the guitar to make it sound a little bit more aggressive and stand out in the mix a little bit better. We've got an example track that was played with fingers on the Strat. By using the seesaw with its pivot frequency set to around 130 on the dial, which corresponds to about 500 to 600 hertz, and with the seesaw boost set to +3, you can bring out the attack on this particular track pretty well. We also used the high cut filter to roll off any harsh out of band energy that could take away from the quality on this track. Different takes with different players and gear will need settings that are specific to that situation, so these settings are just a suggestion for a starting point. The EQ52 is super flexible with its variable seesaw pivot frequency and with a wide range high and low cut filters, so it can pretty much handle any situation. Note that the EQ52 high cut filter is continuously variable from 2.7 kilohertz all the way up to 200 kilohertz, and in this case it's set to 50 kilohertz. You might ask, why such a wide range and why is it set to 50K for this situation? Well, that's a good question, and that'll be a good topic for a future video, so stay tuned for that. Check our Facebook and Instagram pages for this info as well as other app info. Shoot us a note with any questions about this video, the EQ52, or any of the other gear we make. And also send us any suggestions for future topics you might be interested in covering in future videos. Thanks for your interest, and until next time.